and today we have with us Nivesh Kanwal, who will be talking about his perspective on the SDGs. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Have you enjoyed the Nirman exhibit, sir?
Absolutely. Being a part of Dalmia Parivar since 2005, I've been in your place, understanding the hard work and dedication it needs to, make the desired project. And, after getting feedback from the guests and the faculties, it, makes my heart filled with joy. And now today, after a decade, I have been judging the science exhibitions and looking at the level of creativity it has reached. I'm astounded. And I'm happy with the fact that students are now coming up with more and more creative ideas. And with the topic like sustainability, it's very, very, very important. It's point to be concerned.
So, as an MBA marketing student, what do you think is the role? What is the role of marketing in achieving the UN's goal of the SDGs?
So, marketing is not only about just buying and selling and promotion, it's more than it. Marketing is itself a broad spectrum of various activities which take place around. So, the help of marketing for these UN SDGs could be raising awareness about what actually it is and what our goals are need to be kept in mind, and what type of problems are catered, and what are solutions that we are trying to bring in order to make a more and more sustainable environment. As we all know that in last 20 years climate change has been the biggest issue. It's the world leaders who are trying to come with certain ideas how to combat this problem. But more than the leaders, it's about the people of the world, because we are also the stakeholders. We also live in this land. We are also one of the biggest contributors to the exploitation of what we have done, and as a repercussion we are facing the climate change today. So it's a like global phenomenon. It's we need to join hands together, and marketing would be like spreading awareness about what we are trying to convey the message.
So, what inspired you to take up marketing, and how has your perspective changed since starting college?
Um marketing was something which I thought it would be a domain where I would be contributing a lot to a success of for anyone. And marketing is something where I liked the passion to interact with others in a very open manner. So I like to open up and interact about the what I do, and the promotion for any product or services, be it any either it could be this cup or this any services or this entire setup which we have made. So marketing is all about how you convince your the buyers who want to purchase product from who you show interest in your product or service. So that's how marketing attracted me. I thought that yeah, it is something which is made for me. I can excel in this domain.
So, lastly, what is your take on this podcast?
Yeah, if you talk about this podcast theme which you brought this time, so last time I did a science exhibition in the school was back in 2016 when I was in ninth grade. So we barely had any idea that the trend of podcast would be there in this institute, and I'm so happy that the setup is put in a so professional way that I'm out of words. Even ocean of words are not enough to describe how beautiful and well professionally made this setup. And hats off to you and the entire faculty department who work tirelessly for to make things look good and look professional. It's absolutely amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Until we meet again, this was Shameshwari Suraj with Nivel Kanwal. And stay safe, stay sustainable. Thank you.
Thank you.